Palat laipau teli ki basa de tiar pen itanat yeng ki lepin I perthai ki mar ki mata beki shinani ki karkhanarin ha ka yau de patba kabla long ha ka laitrik ujemang ha All Saints Hall IGP point. Ki tiar ki bade ha kini ki basa ki long ki ba ki yeng ki sem ki pendan kaman la kesni. Ki terai jong kini ki basa ki la batai ha ki nong thok khobor kumno la shnai kini ki tiar na ka benta ki jingdon kam ki patba ha la yeng la sem. Ki don ru ki tiar ki bala wan lam na ki wei pat ki jela ha ka ni ka yau.
My name is Neha Surana. First of all, I would like to thank the Spring Carnival for giving us this opportunity to promote our newly launched venture. We deal in dry fruits and which we get from Delhi. The dry fruits are all of premium quality which we get in Shillong. The Mamra almonds are imported from Afghanistan. And the walnuts are imported from Chile, South America, and the pistachios are all from Iran. And we have a super bold cashews which are Mangalorean, and all the premium products are imported from outside, but we do the packaging in Delhi and we get it in Shillong. So you should definitely try our new products and help promote our new venture. Thank you so much.
Instagram account jungi baka Facebook account tade la itu closet te kilaban check Instagram account jungi and Facebook account kabangi te kalongi te kini ki customized jainsam kilaban ai ka nono ka design ka pikwa gidon kini ki painted jainsam gidon kini ki embroidery jainsam gidiro kini ki banaras dhara but gidan ro ki casual jainsam ka kilaban sam man kasi but ki formal jainsam gidan nang taro ila ngide ro kini ki khasi randia paka but ki khasi dhara paka play shibon.
Welcome to the carnival! Yay! We are promoting healthy products. So this is like salted almond spread, which is all really made with nuts and dates. We are promoting date-based products. It's a company in Bombay, all in-house production, and it's all packaged so that it's all nice and fresh. We have a variety of spreads in this one. This is salted almonds. And this is peanut butter crunchy. We are best sellers with the peanut butter smooth spread, which is very healthy for the kids. No sugar, only date sugar. And this is hazelnut cocoa, very premium product. A little bit highly priced, but it's worth the money because it's damn tasty. So this is the plain peanut butter, which is our best selling and very very healthy, very low in sugar. So good for your body. Our new products are cane sugar, which is the replacement for crystal sugar, which is very bad for our health. So these products we can use in all the sweets that we make at home, or even the shakes or tea or halwa or whatever you make. Please try to use date-based products which are low in GI and very healthy for your health. We are sold out in date honey, which is another one of the premium products which can be used, very versatile and the best. I think just cut down your sugars and go for the date sugar, and as a health benefit, try to use less and less of sugar and try to replace it with natural sugar. All the best, enjoy, keep healthy, stay happy, enjoy. Love you all.
Teng jong ade salona lingkoi masa anong mensong dong kabiang tengah represent ngabu kini ki products mentana ka company Magnesa ki yang tu kadi ka wellness ka health but wellness product so kidan kini ki products hang ne ki ba na menta pat ka khia jani ma ni kidan na menta ki na menta ban ay ka bet mapat ka khia ban pen klan ya ka immunity jani nang ta ban pen khot ban ya ka met ka phat kidan ki products menta ka BP na menta ka shini na menta ki your heart na menta ka kung gani ka digestion na menta ka bidan gastric no bon mini bidan ki gastric nang ta ki na menta ka constipation ki bidan nado narendang siya kasnirba mo ban penkot ban yarap naman ta ka digestion idon ru live safe the day naman ta liver bro pag idon ka man penkot you liver she same she's nem ne marka ka bangi bam ka ibangi di nakalier na naka stress yo liver jong you sniu man ko pon yo cirrhosis liver yo fatty liver idon ka man bandi liver care liver safe naman ta ban pen hayo liver jong you tangi don ka you treat naman ta ki kentay kani kadai naman ta ki kentay kiba don ka plapon ka ba ting idon sis idon fibroid laning idon kanu kanu mo ka jing so haka poi banai te kani ka yarap naman ta ki kentay kamtam kumjuru ya kiba miyo pon tang idon respire naman ta ki tor jangi kani ka yarap naman ta ban plan ya ki tor kamtam ki kiba di secret nang ta kita kibadan ka sahiyaw kibadan ka jarho kani kadai naman ta ka ban kanya kita mo nang ta midon ka brinsa naman ta ka jabing jangi kidon ka man pinkan ka jabing jangi nang bangin num klet biet mo ki na school kibadon kami ka memory power mo ban krapon bat ya ki temen ro ki bala kamduna ka jingken mau nani ka bor jing ka jangki kidon kani ka antioxidant juice kani kaba isna nakiso ban naki kinbat kani kayarap naman taban prevent ki cancer bunjat ki jingpang hakamed jangi bat kumjuru ban aya ka immunity kanang bangin lat naki biang kli ki jarho bat na bunjat ki jingpang gidang don bun ru ki products hang ni iba gi kam yo display ru di Fila ban pentak yang dari ban Z hang sur hapo sa Shillong Spring Carnival mau publish buat.
Show your visiting card.
Yes.
Hello, come I'll show you around all the products that I have here. These are oversized t-shirts. They're so in trend now. You can check them out. These are all available on our Instagram page, so even if you want to order online, you can do that. These are all men items. We have men's shirts as well. You can come here. These are sling bags, come handbags. We have different varieties, different kinds.
Hello, check.
Yeah, and these are loafers. They're so in trend now. We have them. They're so pretty. They look good on everyone with every outfit. You can check them out on our Instagram page as well. Let me take you. We also have sneakers, sling bags, bum shoes. These are really pretty. Very comfortable. You can wear them every day. These are for everyday wear, for college students, for working ladies. They're very pretty. And we also have sneakers, high-end sneakers, high quality sneakers. You can all check all the products on our Instagram. You can check all these products on our Instagram page. We'll keep there.
Can you say about your Instagram page? What is the name?
Yes, the name of my Instagram page is Rosie's Boutique Official. You can check our products there. We keep all the pictures of our items there. And also, if you want to order online, we accept online orders as well. You can just order them, DM us, and we'll deliver it to you. We will deliver it to you. We ship all over India. It's not just in Shillong. We ship all over India.
And is there any particular store like the customers can visit?
Yes. The store is at Rinja, near police station. You can come there. You can come there at Rinja police station, or we can add our contact number here. You can call us if you couldn't find the store.